Skincare toners are liquid products designed to remove any remaining impurities after cleansing and to prepare the skin for the next steps in a skincare routine. Traditionally, toners were used to restore the skin's pH balance, especially after using harsh cleansers, and often contained alcohol, which could be drying. However, modern toners have evolved to become more hydrating and soothing. They now often include beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, rose water, witch hazel, and various plant extracts that help to calm, refresh, and hydrate the skin. Toners can serve multiple functions depending on their formulation. Some are aimed at tightening pores, others at exfoliating the skin with ingredients like AHAs or BHAs, and some provide a boost of moisture to help other skincare products absorb better. They are typically applied with a cotton pad or patted directly onto the skin with clean hands after cleansing and before applying serums or moisturizers. Incorporating a toner into your daily skincare routine can enhance your skin's texture, help control oil production, and contribute to an overall healthier, more balanced complexion. Skincare toners are liquid skincare products used after cleansing the face and before applying moisturizers or serums. Their main purpose is to remove any leftover dirt, oil, or makeup that a cleanser might have missed. Toners also help restore the skin's natural pH balance, which can be disrupted during cleansing. Many modern toners are alcohol-free and include ingredients like rose water, aloe vera, or green tea, which help to soothe and hydrate the skin. There are different types of toners for different skin needs. For oily or acne-prone skin, toners with salicylic acid or witch hazel can help reduce oil and prevent breakouts. For dry or sensitive skin, hydrating toners with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or chamomile are ideal. Regular use of a toner can tighten pores, refresh the skin, and make the skin more receptive